I'm John Sony, and I'm on our frontline customer support and tools team in product and technology here at T-Mobile. We recently relaunched our mobile customer support app, the T-Mobile app. And with that app, customers can service their account, shop, pay their bill, and so forth. And that was a complete redesign from the ground up, and it is personalized. It serves dynamic content to the customers so it knows who they are, what type of device they're on. And that's where Elasticsearch came in. We bring in all of that information. What is that application doing? What are the backend services doing? And how is the performance of that application? How is that customer experiencing our mobile experience in this app? All of that flows into Elasticsearch. I'm fortunate to work with a ton of really incredibly smart people at T-Mobile, and you start whiteboarding it out and you say, yes, we actually can build these content systems that can do and can surface this vision that marketing and our business counterparts have brought us. And then you start to say, oh great, I'm going to build that thing. How am I even going to know what's going out the door with those dynamic content systems? And then automatically in my mind it was, oh, Elastic's a fit right there. It will look at anything. The app has 1,800 data points about you as a customer, and that lets our marketing admins and content producers go in and say, I want to serve the right content to you as a customer, right? I want to serve Android accessories to an Android user. And then what we do with all of that information is, as that system is running and going, we collect all of the content that we're serving down to you as a customer, so we see literally an exact replica of what you've seen on your phone screen comes back into and is stored in our Elasticsearch cluster. From a customer standpoint, what it really lets us do is it really lets us know are certain customers having a poor experience. We're able to kind of dive in and see, well, that small pocket of customers is getting a slow homepage response, perhaps, that we would have never seen before. Maybe it's only 100 customers. Now we can see that. We have the standard dashboards in Kibana. We've got all the nice kind of charts in terms of performance. We're actually using some of the machine learning features of Kibana now to actually surface anomalies that we wouldn't otherwise see. So we can kind of pull forward those small things, those blips on the radar via machine learning. Our ratings in the app stores are up. Our marketing and peers in the business are able to serve the content that they want to serve, right? They were very frustrated prior to having this application, this new app, and now they can get their message out, right? It is on brand. It is T-Mobile, right? It's not something static and stale like it used to be before. So very good reception to it. Take that leap of faith, right? The open source community around Elastic, and if you have the fortune to go after a support contract as well, is super great. There's a ton of help out there. You can ask others. You can go to meetups, hit up the forums, and then also, of course, hit your support folks. They've been super great with kind of getting us started and getting us moving and out of the woods.